Hi, my name is Alexis from Bear and Pixie Art Studios. Thank you so much for joining, and today we're going to go over how to make your own easy sticker sheets. Once you have your design all set to go and you've got your name and branding everywhere on the sticker sheet, the first thing I'm going to do is have a little bit of a bleed area. So usually what I like to do with the stickers is going to have a little bit wider area for the sticker cut. So I have obviously the stickers have kind of an outline, that will be where I have the machine cut. And then I also have a little bit more of a bleed area behind the stickers, and that just kind of allows for a little bit more breathing room on the sticker machine, just in case things get moved around or you have a little bit more room to work with. So once I have the bleed area all set, I'm going to turn off the stickers, and I'm just going to save the background for the first part. So I have my background. Then the next thing I'm going to do is turn off the background, so that all I have is the stickers and the bleed area. So I'm going to save this as a JPEG. So once you have those two files saved, you have your stickers and the background. Let's go ahead and jump over to Silhouette Cameo, and we're going to set up our cut lines. Once you have your page opened, then I'm going to go in and go to registered markers, make sure I have those turned on. That's just to make sure that I know how much area I'm working with for my stickers. You can also go in here to the dimensions and make those markers either smaller or larger, and you can increase the thickness as well. The other thing that I like to do is kind of pull back the inset, so that way I have as much paper to work with. Once you have those markers set up, let's go into our page, and I just want to make sure everything is set up with the cameo and the lettering, so you want to make sure you have the correct paper size. So I have 8.5 by 11. And let's go ahead and drag in those files. So I have all of my stickers here. You can kind of see I've got a bunch here. So let's use my Comfy Cat stickers here. Usually when I'm making my files, I have obviously the background saved, I have a PNG of the stickers, and then a third image of them combined together, and I can put that up for like my shop display or something. So the first thing I'm gonna bring in is that background. And don't worry, it's going to be really big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change up the width and the height, and you can set them up whatever size you want. So I'm going to say 5 by 7. Then let's go ahead and bring in our stickers. And you just don't want to make sure you have it not overlapping your background, because otherwise it's going to replace that image. So I'm just going to move it off to the side here. The stickers are a little bit smaller, so that way they'll fit right inside. So I'm going to go kind of lay them on top where I want them. So I'm going to go about there. Once you have your stickers and your background all set up, what you're going to do is going to go up to the colors. You'll see way up in this upper corner here, there's like this little red box. And I like to change up the colors. Usually I'll do a purple, just because that's my favorite color, and designate that only to the background. Then I'm going to go into the stickers. Just make sure you have the stickers selected and not your background. And you're going to do something a little bit different with the stickers. So the first thing that I'm going to do, you can zoom in here a little bit. So for these stickers, I'm actually going to go over to the shape tool. It's like the offset panel with like the little star. And I'm going to go into offset, or you can do internal offset too, depending on which way you want to have the line. So for me, because I have the cut line way out here on the bleed area, I want to have it go inverted to make that cut line a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go over to internal offset, and you'll see it'll automatically give you two different lines. So you can change up the distance between those two lines. So if you want to make it a little bit tighter, so I'm going to do 4. But again, you can change it up to whatever size works for you. You can also round the corners a little bit more if you need to. Once you have those two lines, you're going to have each line of those stickers be a different color. I'm going to zoom in and select one line. So I'm going to do like this outer line here. And I'm going to go up to the color box, and you want to have this one be a different color. So usually I'm going to have red as be like the actual cut line, and then I'll do green. And you'll see the outer line of the sticker now turns green. So the green line I'm actually not going to use at all. So I'm just going to use the red line as my kiss cut line. And you can see now there's two different colors for each sticker. So once you have your lines all set up, what you're going to do is go into the send category, and you go to the line section. So here you can see we've got 3 different colors. One for the die cut sticker, which will cut the sticker out entirely. And then we have 2 different sections, the red and green, for the stickers themselves. So the green was more to mark off the bleed area, so we're not actually going to use that. We just wanted to use that area to set up the internal offset. So I'm actually going to turn that off. So I'm not really going to use it anymore. And then I just have the red and purple that I'm using. So the red is going to be for my kiss cut, and then the purple is for my die cut. So let's set up the purple. So purple is going to be for my die cut, so obviously I want to have a deeper cut. So usually I'll do 9. And then I have, 27 as like the force, but again, you can kind of adjust it depending on your machine or what paper you're using. And then for the red, I'm gonna set up the kiss cut. So I'm gonna do a blade depth of 3 and a force of 10. You can also save these settings to make it a little bit easier, so then every time you're making your sticker cut, it will save those settings for you so you don't have to remember all those numbers. So you can go into more, and then you can go in and adjust your speed or all of your other settings here. And then you can hit save. And so I have one for my sticker sheet background and then one for my kiss cut, so that way it will remember it. And then all I have to do is go in up to the top here with the material, and I can go down to the bottom, and I have those 2 options saved for me, so it'll be much easier for the next time too. And then you just hit send, and then you're all good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and comment down below what stickers you're gonna make, and you can also check out my shop links down below too. And I hope to see you for the next one. Bye guys!